Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, and now it's transforming the way we make money online. In this video, I'll unveil a selection of remarkable AI-powered websites and tools that have the potential to generate incredible daily income. From platforms that can earn you an extra $1,000 a day to others with the capacity to make thousands, these innovative solutions are here to help you unlock new opportunities. Tool number 1, Mixo. Another amazing AI tool that can help you make money is Mixo. If you're someone bursting with ideas for different businesses or projects, Mixo is the perfect tool to help you validate those ideas and bring them to life. Here's how it works. You start by entering your startup idea into Mixo. Let's say you have an idea for a gym buddy app that connects strangers who want to work out together. Once you input your idea, the AI technology takes over and generates a complete website for you. It creates a name, logo, images, and even writes a sales copy. The website is designed to collect emails from people who are interested in joining your waitlist. The beauty of Mixo is that it empowers you to take action and turn your ideas into tangible websites quickly. It eliminates the need for extensive coding or design skills, as the AI technology handles all the website creation for you. It allows you to test a market, build an audience, and establish a strong online presence right from the moment you conceive your idea. Tool number 2, Palette. One of the AI tools that can help you make money is Palette. While it may not be the most glamorous tool, it offers a simple and effective way to earn some extra cash. Palette.fm is a user-friendly tool that can turn black and white photos into colored ones using AI technology. The process is incredibly easy, as you simply upload a black and white photo, and the tool instantly transforms it into a vibrant colored version. There are several ways to monetize this tool. One option is to offer the colorization service on platforms like Etsy. As shown by someone who's already generated over $30,000 in sales, there's a market for the service. Instead of relying on traditional methods like Photoshop and color grading skills, Palette allows you to provide this service in seconds. However, it's important to know that competition may be high on platforms like Etsy and Fiverr, so thinking creatively is key. One idea is to offer the service in your local area through platforms like Facebook Marketplace, where there may be fewer competitors. Tool number 3, SEO.ai. Another fantastic tool that can help you make money is SEO.ai. Unlike other SEO tools, SEO.ai offers unique features and capabilities that can save you time and help you optimize your website's ranking on Google. One of the ways you can leverage SEO.ai to make money is by using it to boost the ranking of your own blog. By utilizing its keyword research feature, SEO.ai suggests target keywords based on your niche and identifies the problem or topic your audience is searching for. It then provides keyword suggestions and their difficulty scores, making it easier for you to select the best keywords to target. Affiliate marketing is one avenue you can explore with SEO.ai. Once you've identified the keywords and optimized your content, you can include affiliate links related to the products or services you're promoting. Alternatively, if you prefer not to create your own blog, you can offer SEO services to small businesses. You can approach local businesses such as wedding photographers and pitch your expertise in improving their website search engine ranking. Tool number 4, Video.ai. Another AI tool that can help you make money is Video.ai, a powerful software designed to simplify the creation of short-form content from long-form videos. This tool utilizes AI to transform YouTube links into engaging short videos with captions, templates, and catchy titles. The process is quick and effortless, making it ideal for content creators looking to capitalize on the popularity of platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. The genius idea for making money with Video.ai lies in offering this service to YouTubers who may not have the time or expertise to create short-form content themselves. While there's some competition in this space, you can stand out by taking a unique approach. At this point, you can offer your services to them, specifying your rates such as $50 per video or package deals for multiple videos. By standing out from the generic service providers, you demonstrate your creativity, dedication, and ability to deliver exceptional short-form content. Tool number 5, Adcreative.ai. The next tool I'm excited to introduce is Adcreative.ai. A powerful AI software that specializes in creating high-converting advertisements. This tool simplifies the process of designing captivating ads using AI technology, saving you time and effort. Here's how it works. You begin by uploading your logo, and Adcreative.ai analyzes it to generate a color scheme that complements your brand identity. Then you can choose the type of ad you want to create, such as a story ad. Next, you have the option to input your own headlines or let the AI generate them for you. You can also upload your own image or search for relevant stock images. Now, let's talk about how this AI tool can help you make money. There are several ways to monetize Adcreativeai. First, if you have a product to sell, whether through dropshipping or affiliate marketing, using this tool to create visually appealing and highly effective ads will save you a significant amount of time and effort. Additionally, you can offer your services to local businesses. For example, you can approach wedding photographers or other small businesses and propose to create eye-catching ad creatives for their marketing campaigns. Tool number 6, Dubverse.ai. Another incredible AI tool that can help you make money is Dubverse.ai. This powerful software is designed to dub videos by translating and adding voiceovers in different languages. By using Dubverse.ai, you can offer your services to YouTubers and content creators who are looking to expand their audience globally. With Dubverse.ai, all you need to do is upload a link to a YouTube video, and the software will automatically translate the audio and add a dubbed voiceover. This means that YouTubers can now reach viewers from all over the world by offering their content in different languages. But that's not all. Dubverse.ai has recently introduced a groundbreaking feature called NeoDub. This feature not only translates the voice into a different language, but also clones the voice to sound like the original speaker. Imagine the possibilities. You can now offer YouTubers the ability to have their videos dubbed in different languages while retaining the unique voice and style that their audience loves. Tool number 7, VidIQ. This YouTube growth tool has been a game changer, delivering incredible results. What makes it even more exciting is that they have incorporated powerful AI technology into the app, taking it to a whole new level. One of the standout features of VidIQ is the AI coach. Think of it as your personal YouTube growth mentor. This AI coach provides valuable insights and recommendations to help you grow your YouTube channel. These tools leverage AI technology to provide deep insights into your channel's performance, audience engagement, and keyword research. One remarkable aspect of vidIQ's AI technology is its ability to create a full faceless YouTube channel using AI. This means you can build a successful channel without showing your face on camera. So how can vidIQ help you make money? Well, by utilizing the AI-powered features and insights provided by vidIQ, you can optimize your YouTube channel for growth and monetization. The AI coach guides you in creating content that resonates with your target audience, driving more views, subscribers, and ultimately revenue. Tool number 8, Devi. Another powerful AI tool that can help you make money is Devi, a Chrome extension designed to monitor Facebook groups automatically. With this tool, you can set specific keywords to look out for, and whenever someone mentions those keywords in the monitored Facebook groups, you'll receive an alert. The potential for making money with Devi is vast. Let's walk through an example to illustrate how it works. Imagine you're promoting a sales funnel builder, and you have a Devi set up to monitor relevant Facebook groups for keywords like funnel builder or sales funnel. When someone in the group asks for recommendations for the best sales funnel builder, you'll receive an alert. This presents an opportunity for you to engage with the person by leaving a comment with your affiliate link to a sales funnel builder platform, such as Kartra, Builderall, or ClickFunnels. This AI tool gives you the advantage of proactively identifying potential customers or clients in Facebook groups who are actively seeking products or services related to your niche. Tool number 9, HotReach.ai. The next tool that can greatly benefit you is HotReach.ai. While seemingly simple, this AI tool is incredibly powerful in helping you generate more conversions when reaching out to potential clients or customers. HotReach.ai specializes in creating personalized first lines for your outreach emails. Using this tool is straightforward. You can import LinkedIn URLs of individuals within your target niche whom you want to connect with. HotReach.ai then generates personalized email introductions based on the information found on your LinkedIn profiles. By mentioning specific achievements, interests, or experiences, you can demonstrate that you've taken the time to research and understand their background. HotReach.ai is a valuable asset if you're looking to start a service-based business or engage in client outreach. It streamlines the process of crafting personalized emails, saving you time and effort while still maintaining a high level of personalization. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.